Sage here with the Run 'em Down YouTube channel. We're out here for another midweek hunt. It's almost a weekend, but we thought might as well come out here. Had a nice little cold front come in up here in North Texas, so we got about 6 or 7 properties we're gonna hit tonight for coyotes and pigs. Yesterday we actually hunted, so the video that you guys are gonna see before this one is actually yesterday or last night. I think we shot like, I don't know, 3-4 pigs maybe. But we're out here again tonight. We're going to be really targeting coyotes tonight. We're going to try to shoot some at that chicken farm, and then we got a couple other properties we're going to bounce around to tonight. But let's get the night started. We just got set up. It's a little chilly out, so we got some hoodies on, but I think we're ready to go. All right, guys, we just pulled up to the big chicken farm. Turn off this light. We're going to get set up. We're gonna go walk down into this hill. There's a big open area, a lot of trees, but a big open area down this bottom. So we're gonna see if we can go kill some more yotes. All right, guys, well, first field was extremely eventful. We were there for maybe 20 minutes, sitting there calling, doing the old rabbit distress, and I moved off to the side because I had my handheld and I wanted to get some cool footage of Rusty and Cameron sitting there on their guns, and I'm sitting here videoing, and I literally see a dog, just a coyote, run out from the corner, I don't know, 30 yards, and I was like, oh crap. So Cameron went to go shoot him, and he went to go try to hit record, and unfortunately with these falcons you have to like hold it down, and it didn't happen long enough, and my dumb behind ran up to my gun and the coyote took off. But we were kind of hanging out, and Rusty's sitting, you know, back where we were sitting at, and all of a sudden he shoots and he says, oh, we had 4 dogs literally come in right behind us. So hopefully he got some footage of it and we can show you guys. He shot one of them and it did the little spin, but it took off. I think he's probably going to die because Rusty's shooting some pretty nasty 150 grain, 300 blackouts, and I've destroyed some pigs with those rounds. So we are going to go to our next field. It's like 10-15 minutes down the road. It's a big another chicken farm. Imagine that. 2 chicken farms that we're hunting tonight, but this is a smaller chicken farm that has a pretty big yote problem. So we're heading that way now, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, we just called that yote in. He came straight in. I don't know, my thermal was glitching out there for a second, but luckily it came on. My gun double tapped, which was weird, but I think Cameron made contact with him. But we're gonna go walk up on him real quick. Right there. Huh? See him?
Saw him.
There he is. Alright. So, before we video this, we're going to cut this part out because YouTube does not like blood. We got him now. Alright. I think we're going to pack up. We're going to go to the next field. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the big chicken farm. Turn off this light. We're gonna get set up. We're gonna go walk down into this hill. There's a big open area, a lot of trees, but a big open area down in this bottom. So we're gonna see if we can go kill some more yote. All right, guys. Well, we've been bouncing around all night. We've been seeing coyotes all night, but we finally came to this property. Cattle farmer. We had 2 coyotes come in. I look over to the right, and there's a coyote just laying there on the ground. So all 3 of us dumped him. So I might be able to show you this one. I don't know. You can show them this one. This one's not bad. This is small yote, small dog, but yeah, not too bad. Younger dog. Nothing too crazy, but that makes 2 for tonight. We should have like 6, but some of these dogs have been getting really smart. We went to another property, which I didn't get on video, but we had a dog at like 600 yards, and we turned on the call, and he just beelined it straight downwind of us, got like 100 yards behind us, and he was just in there was some thicker grass in between us and him. He was out in the middle of the field, and we just couldn't get a good shot on him. But we just came to this property, had 2 dogs. One of them just decided to dip out the back, and then we look over the right, and this one's just literally just laying on the ground. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go hit one more field tonight that we've already hit, and that Rusty shot a coyote out of earlier. It's been 4 or 5 hours though, so I think we're gonna go take this dog, and hopefully we get one more. Oh, a bunch of something back. Cameron, look on that right side, right where you're coming. I got a ton of something on that right side of that field.
What are we doing?
All right, we just got to the second property. There's a hill right here behind Devin. We're gonna go see if there's some piggies in here. Last time we came here, we had some pigs, no joke, come from like me to Rusty from us. Like not even 20 yards. It scared the ever-living crap out of us. I'm gonna get the gun set up. We're gonna, I guess, walk up to the top of this hill and look in this big field. The farmer's been having a bunch of pigs just churning it up. So we also have a feeder back in the woods, but it's a little sketchy to get to. And we don't have night vision tonight because it's just this weather just would not be good for night vision. So let's go. 2 vets. All right, we're good. right, guys, we just came up into this hill and this big field behind us. Wasn't anything in here, but there's a smaller hill back on this other side, right next to the woods. And I think we shot like 3 or 4 of them. There was a couple shots where we really had to lead them. They started just taking off, and I think we plucked a couple of them, but I've got to go to work. So I think this farmer doesn't really care. Either that or Cameron and Rusty's gonna have to go pick them up because I'm not doing it right now. But I think we're about to walk back to the truck. I think Cameron and Rusty might hit one more field. If not, no worries. This was just a midweek hunt just to get something out of the way. I actually got to go work right now, so we're running out of time. So thank you guys for tuning in. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna let these boys do all the work while I get out of here, and I'll see you guys on the next one.